advise them to eat real foods. Ano ba yung mga real foods? Ito yung mga palagi nasa wet market yan, hindi yan sa dry market. Kung ang kinakain mo, itlog, isda, manok, gulay, baboy, baka, without this high refined sugar, processed, ito lang kakainin mo, mapapansin mo yan, babata at babata ka. If you want to change your life, yung umiwas sa complication of diabetes, ang dami dyan, kidney disease, nagda-dialysis na yan, yung iba na stroke, nagkakaroon ng heart attack, amputation, yan ang hindi nila alam. Pero ito po mga complication ng diabetes. If ayaw nyo mapunta dyan, quality of life ang kailangan ninyo without taking medication, without injecting any insulin. You can do that with low carb lifestyle, doing fasting and activity with exercise. Of course, kung hindi nyo kaya po yan, alam ko kasi addicting ang sugar. Itutulungan namin kayo. We have a program that we will monitor you daily. We'll give recommendation, guidance pa mga concerns ninyo, aayusin natin yan. And may mga clinic po ko dito sa ACE QC, ACE Valenzuela, and dito sa Bukawi po.